we guide you through how to appear offline on Instagram. So, the first thing you need to do is to open Instagram app and tap on profile icon at the bottom right. Then hit the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu and select settings. Next, scroll to privacy and tap activity status. Now, simply toggle off show activity status and confirm your choice, which will instantly hide your online presence from everyone, including friends and followers. Remember, turning this off means you also won't see when others are active, so it's a two-way street. And if you want to double check, exit and reopen the app to ensure the green dot or active now indicator is gone from your chats. For extra privacy, avoid interacting with DMs immediately after logging in because messages you send will appear with a timestamp. And that's it. You're now officially offline on Instagram.